Stepping into a transforming, spacious suburban house, Hui homeowners sought to eliminate the model home ambience and infuse their new residence with character that mirrors their extensive world travels. Zoe Feldman Design, who renovated this house, a boutique interior design firm based in Washington, D.C., is renowned for its seamless fusion of modern and classic aesthetics. The firm is known for crafting sophisticated yet inviting spaces through a modernized classicism influenced by art, fashion, and architecture, always tailored to each client's unique personality. This project transformed a spacious suburban home for a couple relocating from Brooklyn to District of Columbia, replacing its model home feel with character inspired by their world travels. To achieve this, Zoe Feldman Design blended custom and vintage furniture, rich textures, and thoughtful color. Globally sourced pieces and natural materials were woven throughout, reflecting the client's journeys and experiences. The design team prioritized the inclusion of organic shapes and handcrafted wooden furniture, emphasizing texture in various rooms. For instance, the kitchen features walnut cabinets with sand-cast bronze poles, leathered quartzite countertops with a hand-ribbed profile, and walls adorned with handmade Moroccan zellage tiles and tadelaced plaster. In the family room, large-scale, low-profile furniture pieces were selected to complement the expansive space, including a custom-designed curvy plaster coffee table with distinctive feet. The integration of oversized potted plants and voluminous curtains serves to bring the wooded exterior views indoors, enhancing the room's connection to nature. Throughout the residence, playful details such as ball feet on sheepskin ottomans and spherical flower pot lamps by Werner Panton add whimsical touches. These elements, combined with a curated selection of art and vintage furnishings, contribute to a home that is both personalized and reflective of the client's eclectic tastes. Zoe Feldman Design's commitment to creating individualized and meaningful spaces is evident in this home project. By blending modern design principles with classic elements and incorporating globally inspired pieces, the firm successfully crafted a home that embodies the client's personalities and experiences.